Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to San Antonio Shoe and Luggage Repair. Today we'd like to talk about your favorite bag or piece of luggage that you have and just what the airlines and cruise ships can do to them. We know that once you find that favorite bag that packs just right and it's a perfect size, you don't want to get rid of it because of a minor repair. So let's take a look at some of the issues you could be having with your bag. You're getting ready for a trip. You have a broken zipper. It's not functioning right. It's panic time. Don't buy a new bag. We can fix this one. Whether it be a broken or damaged zipper, a zipper that's jammed, or even a zipper that just won't close right, we can take care of that. Doesn't matter the bag. It can be your favorite piece of luggage. It can be your favorite gym bag. It can be your favorite backpack, computer bag, purse. It does not matter. Zippers are zippers, and it's our most common repair. Bring it by, let us look at it. We can tell you exactly what it would cost and exactly how long it would take. Here are the bags with the broken zippers we showed you earlier. On this one here, we installed a new slider and a new pull tab on there. On this one, we installed a new slider. Once again, this is our most common repair. Please don't throw that bag away. Bring it by and let us look at it. We can fix it. Doesn't matter the bag, we can fix it. Bring it by.